Bonjour, mes amis. It is finally 2021. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. And if you're checking me out for the first time in 2021, where you been? Where you been? Today, I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a review of a palette, and I came across the Lamuseland palette. So if you want to see some swatching on my skin tone and to see how I completed this look with this palette, continue on watching the video. So when it opens, it comes in this second container, which I really love that. And then when you reveal it, it's this beautiful orange, almost sunset fall type of looking palette. Oh, pretty. It comes with a mirror, really nice. And then this is the palette. Such a pretty looking palette. So I'm gonna get right into the swatch. Sugar cane, and that's the one that has that maple leaf on it. Matcha tea, the maple leaf forest, which I'm not getting that vibe. Touch of yellow. That's that there. Oh. This color here, my gosh. That green was really unexpected. The matcha tea, wow. Oh my god. Oh, really pretty. Those right there. Oh my gosh, that one, that last one, that Yin Ming Yang, Yu Ming Yang. I don't know what it says, but really pretty color scheme here. And then we're gonna get into the last row here. Is the one that has all those beautiful marble colors. Just right there. Play Coon. Oh, wait a minute. Plate Kuden Guardianoris? I don't know. Wow, that name threw me off. Low tree. Wonderful Journey. And then we have Circus. There we have it. There we have it. And there we have it. This is like the first time I can honestly say I'm going to use every single color in this palette. I swatched, and from what I was looking for in a palette, I was looking for a nude but a little bit of spice. So I would give this palette maybe an 8 out of 10. I know I usually give most of my palettes that because I do a lot of research on them, but there wasn't too many videos reviewing this exact palette. So I knew I had to just try it myself and trust my instincts, which are usually correct at times. So the only thing is you have to dip your brush in a little bit more. Maybe if you use setting spray and then did one dip, it might blend a little bit easier or might appear blended easier. For me, I don't like to use pre-setting sprays or to wet my brush. I like to test it in its natural form which is straight pan to brush and see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.